Want to give your eyes a break and save battery life? Turning on dark mode is the perfect solution. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the Display and Brightness settings. In the Display and Brightness settings, you will see an appearance section at the top. Here, you have two options, light and dark. Tap on the dark option to switch your iPhone to dark mode. And this is how you can turn on dark mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.